All right, guys, I'm here on the Matrix seated leg curl. So a couple features that I want to highlight on this. If you get into the machine, you can adjust the angle of how you want to start. If you want to start from a higher position and have more stretch, you can start up there. If you have limited mobility and this is too hard for you, you can drop it down to here. If you're shorter or taller, you can adjust the pad length with this handle here. So if you're taller, you can have it a little further out. If you're shorter, you can bring it in. It's very simple to navigate. Again, on this machine, something that I like to highlight is there is a rep counter and there is a timer. So as you see, once I start the movement, I get in here, I get all situated, and I do my first rep. This timer and rep counter start immediately. This is, again, another one of my gym staples and an easy machine to use for any level within fitness.